Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your troop capacity in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways how to do this. So the first way is to go to your academy. So click onto your academy, then click onto that symbol. Now from here we've got two different tabs. We need to go to basic military. Now inside of here we need to go ahead and advance through here to get to the marching capacity. In my game I have not unlocked this, so we need to unlock the prerequisite tech before you can continue your research. So you need to unlock all this stuff before you can get to here, and then from here you can upgrade this. So at the moment it starts at level 1, and then you can go to level 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as you upgrade, that's going to increase your troop capacity. And as you play the game, the more you unlock, the more you'll be able to unlock as well. So you can see your march capacity number 2. You can see it just keeps increasing and increasing. Now, another thing what we can do is go and have a look at any monsters here. So here's one here. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto attack. And now we need to go ahead and create a troop that will depart from your city. So go ahead and click on create, and you can see your troop capacity inside of here with your create squad. Now to increase all of this, so you've got infantry, pikeman, bowman, we need to come back here and train these guys. So you got your pikeman barracks, you got your infantry barracks, and your archer barracks. So just go ahead and train troops inside of here. So I need more resources to train some troops. Try here the archer barracks. Yeah, so I need more timber for that. Now what I'll do, I'll come back to looking at that. So I'm going to go ahead and create. And now another thing what we can do, if this slider is set to like only a few, we can go ahead and move that slider, and that's going to increase your troops. You can see at the bottom here, that's going to increase to your max. So what I suggest always having that at max, and you can see your total might on the top left and your hero might on the top right here. And it's also going to show you here what your chances are of succeeding if you do march. So if I go ahead and click on march, you can see a piece of cake. So I'm going to go ahead and send those troops to go ahead and defeat that wolf. And you can see, yeah, piece of cake, and I'm smashing that one. Now another thing what we can do is have a look at the hero. So I've got the one hero here, it's level 6. I'm going to click onto him, then I'm going to click onto details. Then from here we can see the squad capacity of him. So the further he progresses, the bigger your squad capacity is going to get as well. And also you want to go ahead and add talents to your hero. So to do that, we can go ahead and click onto these. We can upgrade these stats here. So I'm just going to upgrade a few of these, like so.